So we have received this sheet here, the file, and somebody was working on this. Let's face it, this is a mess. Somebody was working on this file and he had to leave the organization. Now it has fallen into your lap and you are wondering what's going on here. Where are the formulas? So there are some basic rules, tips to find the formulas. If you would like to see all the formulas all at once, simply press the keyboard shortcut Control and tilde. Now this is an indication of that key. It's found below the escape key on your keyboard and to the left of number 1. Press and hold the Control and tilde key and it will make all the column wider. It will double the column width, and wherever there is a formula, you see it. Wherever there is a formula, you'll just see that formula. Where is the formula? To turn that feature off, simply press Control and tilde again. It will only double the column width, and wherever there is a formula, you will simply see that formula. Where is the formula? Simply press Control tilde on the keyboard, or you can also go to the Formulas tab in the ribbon, and in the Formula Auditing group, you would see Show Formulas. Click on that. It will show wherever there is a formula. It will double the column width of all the columns in the sheet, and you can see where there's a formula. You will see that. Now it won't highlight those formulas. You can only see that it's a toggle button. So you can press it once, you see that, press it again, it just goes away. And there's a shortcut here, tilde, and it's derived from a Portuguese word. So Control tilde is a good shortcut to see where are the formulas. Now we see the formulas. We received this file. Somebody was working on it. He left the organization. Now this has fallen into our lap. It's our baby now. So we see there where are the formulas. But what do? It just doesn't highlight those formulas. We can see those formulas, but it won't highlight those formulas. But we may want to highlight those formulas, so we just don't destroy those formulas. I see by looking at this sheet, cell B3 is important, D13 is important, L26 is also seems to important, because they're highlighted. Maybe they are sending information to some other sheet, maybe not. But for now, we want to highlight those formulas. So when we work on this sheet, we do not destroy those formulas. So to highlight the formulas, there are a couple of ways. Let's go back to the Home tab. On the far right, we have Find and Select. Click on Find and Select. Here you have Formulas. Click on Formulas. It will highlight all the formulas on the sheet. Make sure you do not select anything. Simply be an active cell in the sheet anywhere. It will highlight all the formulas, and you can scroll up and down unless you click anywhere. Now the formulas are all highlighted, and you may want to put a lighter color just to see the text through it. I'll put a light color so I can see the text through it. And now we can click outside. Now where are the formulas? I see that, okay, these green highlighted are the formulas, and so we don't destroy those formulas. But we may also want to highlight the numbers. Back to the Home tab in Find and Select. Let's click on Go to Special. Click on Go to Special and then click on Constants. And you can select here. Maybe you want to select only the text item or the number items or the errors or whatever you want to select, or the blanks or the region or current array. So we click on Numbers, click OK. It highlighted all the numbers here because these are all the numbers as well. So let's click on that again. Let's go back, go to Special, Constants. In Constants, we need numbers. We need a constant number, and click OK. So we have highlighted all the constant numbers. I may want to put another color, maybe a lighter color, so we can see the text through. So wherever the number formula, we see that too. Now we can highlight the formulas. Remember, you're not doing any damage to the data. Data is still intact. We are just highlighting the important values, maybe sometimes formulas, sometimes numbers. We are just highlighting those numbers or the formulas. If you have any Excel workbook open, it contains some formulas. Press Ctrl tilde and see if that works for you. Ctrl tilde to highlight the formulas on the computer. Now it has highlighted the formulas, it has highlighted the numbers here. Now if I delete a formula here, let's say this is a formula, I know that. If I delete a formula, the color stays. If I add a new formula over here, let's say I add a new formula, 2 multiplied by 2, it doesn't color itself. So from time to time, you may want to eliminate all the colors and you may want to redo this again, highlight again the formulas and then recolor them. So from time to time, you need to do it again and again to add the color or add the number. If I add a number here, it will not color itself. And if I remove these formulas, the color stays. It retains the color. It doesn't automatically add or remove the colors. So from time to time, if this is an active sheet, you might want to eliminate all the color, reapply this feature again, add color. So once again, quick reminder, you're trying to just track down the formulas within the worksheet. Remember the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl tilde, or by the way of formulas tab in the ribbon, show formulas. Both cases will toggle switch or the feature that allows you to highlight the cells. Sometimes just the numbers that are not the formulas. You can begin the process by clicking on any of one of the active cell. Don't select anything, otherwise it will only search for that in the selected range. Click within the active cell, one of the cell. You can go to the home tab, find and select, and here we have go to special formulas. So there too you might want to reapply the color. So we got different techniques of finding formulas and when necessary even highlighting cell that have just the numbers as well.